In this video, I want to share how to make money fast in affiliate marketing. It's a proven strategy you can use to make money today. This is something anyone can do, even if you have no previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. This is by far the easiest thing I've ever done. Whether you have tried to make extra money online before and not quite had the success you were hoping for, or maybe you're checking out online side hustles for the first time, this video is for you. If you are new to it, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. I think it's the fastest and easiest way to make money online. I've been doing it for years. It is critical that you find the right affiliate offer to promote. While there are many affiliate offers to choose from, many are just plain not that good. Many affiliate offers pay out small, one-time commissions of only a few percent. If you were to choose one of them, you would have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant income. Most marketers, especially those just starting out, cannot do that. You want to select an affiliate offer that leverages your time, requires a small investment to get started, pays out big commissions, and pays recurring income too. Recurring income is money that can come in month after month from the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid again months from now for what you did today. With that in mind, let me tell you about my #1 recommended income stream. It is the one affiliate marketing business where you can make money fast. Many make money their very first day. It pays out big commissions on a weekly basis and has recurring income too. I like getting paid by direct deposit every Thursday. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check. It's all done online and it's mostly automated. We provide a simple yet powerful marketing system that really leverages your time. With us, you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. You can work this affiliate business from wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter. But what I like best is how fast you can make money. Like I said, many make money their first day. The key to making money fast is our unique quick start strategy, where we teach you how to start making money before you set anything up, before you even learn anything. I've never seen anything like this. It's just part of our industry-leading training. We offer 6 live training calls on Zoom each week. We have an extensive online training website with dozens of great how-to videos and a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our community. See, one of the things that happens so often in our industry is a new team member calls up and says something like, well, this is great. I'm going to spend this week studying and learning everything, and next Monday, I'll be ready to get started. Well, it's the kiss of death. They almost never get started, and it's so unnecessary. Well, we've solved that challenge. With us, you can learn as you earn. We teach people how to start making money day one and learn the other stuff as you go. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally. I will share everything that has helped me be successful. You'll never wonder what to do next. Success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. To learn more and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.